Hello my YouTube family, you're here with Skipper Drones, and today I'm bringing you the unboxing and review of the Nidici 5.5 qian. This is a nice ultralight build that I'm doing, so let's see what's inside. Alright, we have the legs and the body, instructions. We have some TPU 3D printed parts. We have a strap, and we have the standoffs and the screws. Alright, here's the instructions. The instructions are nice, you see. We have the quad exploded, broke down. So that's pretty nice. It don't look like it's too much to put together either, so that's going to be awesome. So let's look and see what we have inside here. Alright, we got the couple mounts. Got the top plate, bottom plate, and the legs. Which is nice. Alright, the carbon is nice. It's not rough. This looks like some good. It's very strong. So that's not bad. This is the bottom plate, and the bottom plate is 3 millimeters. You got a top plate here, and the top plate is 2 millimeters. Alright, and this is the piece that connects the legs together. It's also 2 millimeters. And we have the legs, which are 5 millimeters. Pretty thick. Ain't been. Like I said, and the carbon is nice. Nicely cut. You see you got a couple of designs in it, but it's nicely cut. Alright, the width of the legs is 8.18. So that's cool. And we have the motor guards here, where 3D printed parts here. The cushion, the legs, so that's nice. And we also have the TPU mounts here, which is not hard, they are soft, so that's good, so they won't be cracking. And this is for to hold the antenna. And we also have a battery strap here, and the Nidici FPV battery strap, so that is also nice. So let's put this together and then I'll be back. Alright, here she is, you guys, all assembled. This is going to be a nice build. She looked pretty solid. Pretty solid. You have a 25 millimeter space between here. It also would take a 20 by 20 stack or a 30 by 30 stack, so that's good. This is going to be a very nice, sturdy, lightweight build. And I think, if I ain't mistaken, I think this would take the 5.5 inch props. The wheelbase is 235 millimeter wheelbase. So yes, this is going to be nice. You know, it's still kind of flimsy because I haven't tightened down everything yet. And it's going to be a super light build by itself. Right now, the frame weighs 68 grams, so that is very light, very light. So you guys, we're gonna build this and see how she flies. Hopefully like the first one I had, because that one flies awesome, and the frame is sturdy and nice. That's what I like about it. So you guys, I have a link in the description below. I believe you can get this at Amazon for around $50. I know it's a little high, but the carbon is cut nice. It's cut nice. And this is what I am putting the Dalrc engine combo stack in. So I will see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. And don't forget to like it. And leave me a comment below. Alright, to the next video, you guys. I'll see you later. Skipper Drones, and I'm out.